of July party, and of course you guys are all invited. I just got back from Walmart. I had to grab some last minute stuff from the store. You know how that is. And this house is a hot mess. I did a lot of prepping last night and this morning. I cooked what I needed to cook. So now it is time to clean and decorate. I bought a 4th of July decorating kit, so I'm gonna try to get up as many of those decorations as I can. So come on and decorate with me. The baked beans just came out of the oven, and some chicken just came off of the grill. So we are having a Southern American style 4th of July party. That's the theme. So I have some 7-Up pound cake here, some apple pie. My mother-in-law is bringing some peach cobbler, some cupcakes for the kids. So yeah, so I still have a lot to do. A lot to do. So my father-in-law is here, buttering up the corn on the cob. And I am starting to decorate. I got all this crap. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put something together. So I have the window here decorated. What I have to do next is get these tables together. So that's what I'm about to do right now. The table is coming together. It looks really good. I'm about to jump back inside to write out the food labels. We've got a lot done. I'm done with the salad. I got the dessert island done. I've decorated in here. I've decorated outside. It is so hot outside right now. The kids are loud. They're in here running around. So if y'all can't hear me, I'm sorry. But I'm a hot, sweaty mess right now. So I'm about to clean myself up and have a little Instagram mini photo shoot with myself so I can have something to share on my Instagram page today. So little shameless plug here. If you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you do that now. My handle has changed from Tidy Up with Dani to Danielle Skeaton. So head over to my Instagram page and follow me. Look at your bow. You in the 4th of July spirit, huh? You in the 4th of July spirit. Our family is starting to show up. Everything's coming together. The food is getting done, coming off the grill. I'm ready to have a good time. I forgot to tell y'all this part. We are having fireworks tonight. I am so excited about that. It is so hot outside.
Hey!
Oh, it's going down.
It's going down or whatever. Come get you a plate. Come catch a bite.
to take Rainbow out for a little walk. The sun is starting to go down, so we are going to do fireworks very soon. Good morning. So it is the day after our 4th of July party and I am super exhausted, but in the best kind of way. Yesterday was amazing. We had such a great time hosting our family and friends. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you enjoyed your 4th of July weekend too. If you want to see more vlogs like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.